So over here, you can see that I am in the YouTube Studio live streaming section right here. And here what I'm in is in the stream section, where you can see that I have a stream key right here. And now what I can do is I can copy this out so that I can link it with a broadcasting software. So for example, I'm going to go around and use OBS Studio right here. And OBS Studio is an open source broadcasting tool that you can easily use to stream contents for YouTube as well. So here I am in the display capture mode, as you can see right here. So you can see my mouse and everything. And let's say I want to stream this from my YouTube platform. So in that case, you can go around over here, and once the OBS platform starts up, you can go under settings right here, and under stream, you can see that you can select out the service right here. So YouTube is an option over here in OBS, as you can see right here. And from over here, what you can do is use stream key. So this is the stream key. You have to copy it out, use stream key right here. And then let me just go around and paste the stream key out right here. You can see the stream key from over here as well, and press apply. And what happens is that the stream key gets linked now, and that's it. So all you need to do now in order to start streaming the content from OBS Studio to YouTube Studio right here is click on start streaming right here. So once you do that, it is connecting, as you can see right here. And now what the streaming is doing is it is collecting the data from over here. So now it says excellent connection, as you can see right here. And you can see that the streaming has started right here. So you can go around and you can see that it has already started streaming and the video is live over here. And then you can go around and see other settings over here as well. So you can see the stream health. It says the stream is healthy, meaning it is live, and you can see the analytics for current viewers and everything over here. And you can see the stream settings over here as well. So everything is here. You can go around over here and then work around with the stream and see whatever being streamed right here. So you can go around and end the stream right here, and it says your stream will stop immediately and you'll no longer be live. So you can just go around and press end right here to just go around and stop the streaming. So it says, remember, the next time you want to go live, you'll have to come back to the dashboard right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have right here. And let me just dismiss this, and then you can see the stream is finished. Whenever you're streaming, however, what happens is that you get these options right here. So there's a normal latency, which is for high quality videos, but it does create some delay when you're streaming out contents. But when you're using low latency, then what happens is that the delay is reduced. But ultra low latency means that it does not support high resolution videos, but streams the contents really fast, which is very, very good if you want to live stream, let's say, gaming contents and so forth. And that is how you can go around and then utilize the streaming option using the stream key in a different broadcasting software. And just like in this case, we use OBS Studio. You can use any software of your choice. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.